your DMM, your insulation meter, your process meter, even your oscilloscope can all be twice as useful when you add a Fluke Current Clamp accessory. The Fluke i400 AC Current Clamp lets you safely measure up to 400 amps AC with your DMM without breaking into a live circuit. Safety rated to Cat 4 600 volts, Cat 3 1000 volts. The Fluke i400S AC Current Clamp. The same high performance, but with BNC connectors for use with your portable oscilloscope. And the Fluke i1010 AC-DC Current Clamp. Now you can use your DMM to measure from 1 amp to 600 amps AC, and from 1/2 amp to 1000 amps DC, all without breaking the live circuit. Fluke Genuine Accessories. Turn your meters into current clamps. Available online at the Fluke store.